Imagine this, you've just built an amazing Android app. It is live on the Play Store. But there's one problem. Users are forgetting about it. They download it, use it once a while, and then poof, they are gone. What if I told you there is a way to bring them back, a way to re-engage your users and send them updates, keep them coming back to your app? That's where push notification comes in. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add push notification to Android application using OneSignal. And here's the best part. If you stick around till the end, I'll share a secret that will make your notifications stand out and get more clicks. Let's dive in. So what exactly are push notifications? You've seen them before. Those little messages that pop up on your phone here and there, reminding you about product sales, a new message from your followers, or post from your followers on social media, or even your favorite game asking you to come back to play. Push notifications are a powerful tool to communicate with your users in real time, even when they are not using the application. Enough of the talking, let's get started. Open your Android Studio and create a new project. If you have existing projects, you can continue with that. Next, we need to connect our project to Firebase. Go to the tool menu at the top here. Select Firebase. From this, click on the analytics. If you're using Java, you follow this. For Kotlin users, click here. Select Connect. Click here. Select Continue. 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 Check this and create a project. So this will go ahead and create a project for you on Firebase. This step is important because OneSignal uses Firebase cloud messaging to send push notification. Click on Continue. Click on Connect. Okay, so now the connection is successful. Return to Android Studio. When you say this, it means your connection is successful. Next, enable analytics. Accept the changes. Allow Gradle to sync. Alright, that's all that's required to connect to Firebase. Head over to Firebase console. Now select your project. Open this settings gear. Select project settings. So over here, you come to cloud messaging. Under cloud messaging, make sure this Firebase cloud messaging is enabled. When it is not enabled, just come to this kebab menu and then you follow this link to enable it. Once you enable it, it will be checked this way. So this information is for those that already have existing projects and they want to enable push notification. But if it is a new project, once you create it using the Android Studio to connect to the Firebase, this one will be enabled automatically. The next is come to service account. Under the service account, click generate new private key. Accept. So it's been downloaded. This is what we'll use to connect the project to OneSignal. Now let's create OneSignal account. Search OneSignal. OneSignal provides easy way for you to integrate push notification into your project. It allows push notification, web notification, email, SMS, in-app messaging, etc. They have a lot of documentation and they support a lot of platforms. We have the Android, iOS, Flutter, React Native, Unity over here. So since we are using Android, just head over to the Android side and let's get started. Click on this button, Build for Android. Select this button, copy this dependency, come to Android Studio and then add it to your project. Now sync the project. and then we initialize the library. So to do that, right click here, create a new Kotlin file, call it main app. Now copy this, so rename this one to main app, like the name of the file you created. Now add this class to your manifest. So open your manifest file at the top here, and then come to the application tag, and then type name, and then pass the name of your file, the file we created. Also add internet permission to your manifest. Now the last thing that we need is the app ID. So to get the app ID, you have to create account with OneSignal. So head over to sign up. You can use your Gmail, Facebook, and all that. So I'll use my Gmail account. Select the name, continue. I'll start with the free version. So enter app name. So now you've created an application. You have to configure it. So click get setup. For push notifications, select here. Select Android, and then click on continue. Now upload the file that we downloaded. Click on save and continue. Here select Android. So now this is your project ID. This is what we are interested in. So you copy this project ID, and then you replace this string here with a project ID. Click on done. So now we can go ahead and run the application. Now the application is running on the device. Then we can go ahead and send notifications. Click on the dashboard menu, and then select new message. So select new push notification. So over here you have the option to write a blank message, or you select template messages. So I'll just select one of the template message. This is how the message will look like. So I'll just click on select, and then I'll give it a name. I'll say test. Okay, so it says, well, wow, look at your app vote, blah blah blah. There you have it. And this is how it will appear on the phone. Just click on send to send the message. So this is the message preview. We have one receiver. Click on send. Let's watch the application. Okay, so you see the notification at the top. This is the notification. When you drag it down, you see, wow, look at all your app votes. Okay, so when you reveal it, this is how it is. So user can click this to open the application. For now, the application is open, so it will take you right into the application. Let's close the application and see how it works. Okay, so let's send another one. So when you come to the dashboard, come to new message, and then we'll type our own message. Say hello. Hello world. That's the name of the message, and then the title, and then the body. So click on send. Send message. So there's a new notification, and when you drag it down, you have it. Hello, add notification to your application. When you click, it opens the application. So if you get here and everything is set up correctly, you should be able to see the notification appear on your device or emulator. And that's it. You've successfully integrated OneSignal push notification into your Android application. And now that special trick I promised, want to make your notification impossible to ignore? Use rich media notification. Add images, button, or even emojis. According to studies, rich notifications get up to 25% more engagement, and that's huge. When you come to the template that they gave us, you can see example that they've used images. We have images here. Look at the preview. We have images. They've used emoji and all that. Congratulations, and there you have it. You've just learned how to add push notifications to your Android app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below if you have any question or suggestion for future videos. See you in the next one.